Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, remote trunk release, dual exhaust, navigation system, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.